Hey everyone, welcome to MadAx 2020. I really am praying today and deciding for God to use this channel to change your life for the good and to believe again that God is able to do exceedingly abundantly above all that you could ask or think. Once again, thank you so much for your continued support, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click subscribe for more weekly updates on MadAx 2020. God bless everyone. God cares.
Hello! Good morning! Good morning aking mga kamadax. Magandang araw po. At nawa po ay kayo po ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. You are all in a good shape. At nawa po sa umaga na ito, this video is about transport ministry. And by the way, shout out po sa aking mga masugid na tagapanood. Thank you for your all support sa walang sawa ninyong pagsubaybay sa transport ministry ni MadAx 2020. Thank you so much kay JC Lab, kay Jing, kay Jedediah, kay Elijah, kay Sir Frex, kay Ma'am Burgundy, kay Jandy, kay Princess, kay Ma'am Annalisa Adventure, kay Patrick, kay Sir The Other Option, kay Sir Frex, Ma'am Preda, kay Jelo, to all of you guys who is watching this video right now. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time, and I pray that God will bless you so much. God will bless you so much, and I pray also that God will use you and make you, mold you of who God wants you to be. Ayan po, sa umaga po na ito pupunta po tayo kay Kuya Reynan, Just Do It. Meron din pong YouTube account yan, paki-visit na lang po. Salamat po. At magta-transport po tayo ngayon. Samahan ninyo ako. God bless. See you. Yun mga kamadax, malapit na tayo kay Kuya Josh, Kuya Reynan, kay Josh Do It. So ayan, dito siya malapit papunta sa kanan tayo. Ang klima dito ngayon ay medyo malamig na. Yung iba nagja-jacket na, yung iba tayo hindi pa. So yan.
A few moments later.
Yes, mga kamadax, nakapag-breakfast na po kami. May power na.
Good morning, Madax. Good morning po sa inyong lahat.
Ayan, nandyan po si Kuya Reynan, aka Just Do It. Mag-promote ka dyan.
Pa-support naman po mga guys yung anong pangalan ito, YouTube channel ko po, Just Do It po. Abay, may matututunan po tayo doon ng konti.
Madami. Ayan, palabas na po kami ng kanyang subdivision. Pilipino ba yun? Ano? Sasakay na natin kung Pilipino siya So yes, ayun po, papunta na kami kay Ate Susan.
Yes.
About maybe 15 minutes maybe travel. Mamaya po ulit. Ayan mga kamadax, nakapagsundo na tayo, papasok na sila, ayun sila. So mamaya ay mag-video ako sa church. Okay.